Film. Hey Film Jammers, we just got in our Canon EOS R. Really excited to take a look at it. We've seen a lot of reviews online, but now we got it in our hands. So we're gonna do an unboxing, and we're also going to do a little first look. I'm a Canon 5D Mark III owner, also a Sony a7S Mark II owner. So this is an interesting new camera for Canon. It's their first mirrorless offering, full frame. We're not gonna go too in depth right now. We're gonna do a full review next week, so keep a lookout for that. Right now, let's unbox. Woo, woo. Here she is, folks. The old EOS R. Let's see what's inside. This also takes the same batteries as the Canon 5D Mark III, which is nice, the LPE6N batteries. We've got a USB-C cable here. Instruction manual. Also comes with a battery charger for the LPE6N batteries. And they forgot to put the camera in here, just plastic. Hold on, hold the phone. Yeah, got a really good feeling in the hand. It's a bit lighter than the Canon 5D Mark III. There's your sensor here. It's got a flip out screen on it, which is really nice. The screen has a really nice glossy look to it, really sharp looking. You're of course missing the standard joystick that's on the 5D Mark III and almost all other Canon DSLR cameras that have come out in the last few years. But they do have some new buttons, including this customizable control here. And you're also gonna be able to attach adapters that let you adjust iris or set custom settings. Let's get a lens on this mother. We've got the adapter here, which you have to purchase separately. So this is a $100 adapter, lets you put EF lenses on because this is the new R mount on the camera. The adapter comes in a nice little pouch here. Boom, boom, boom. So that is the EF to R mount adapter. Pretty lightweight. It's a little bigger than I thought, but that's the adapter. We're gonna try it on right now. It's got a very tight feeling when you attach the adapter, so it's not moving around at all. It's very solid in feeling. So I'm gonna use one of my favorite lenses. This is the Canon 50mm 1.2 prime lens. It's an EF, it's an L lens. It's really nice. You can get some really nice shallow depth of field. I'll take the lens head off. So it's got a good feel. It does bring your lens out about 1.5 inches off your camera body there, which is a little different than I'm used to, but still feels pretty good in the hand. Got the screen on, very nice. Swivels out, you can look at yourself, you know, if you're so inclined to do a selfie. Taking those selfies with mom. Really cool flip out screen. It's got really nice color on it. Seems bright from the first look at it. All right, well, let's take some quick little pictures. So a really cool feature is the autofocus on this camera. It's got a lot of tracking points and you're able to touch the screen and actually focus on what you're touching. So boom, I'm touching here, and it's focusing over here now. I want to go back here, and I want to focus here. Just touch the screen. It's really easy, it's really cool. And the other nice thing is the face tracking for the autofocus. So I'm gonna point the camera up here at our camera guy, this is Lucas, and he's gonna walk around and kind of we're gonna show you how the face tracking works on the camera. So, yep, go ahead. Still in focus, very nice. And it's following him, he's gonna go behind something, and it stayed with him there, very nice. He's got a good wink. So, oh, and he came back on the other side of the C-stand. Still in focus. This guy's still in focus. All right, now go back over to your camera there. Keep looking at us. Okay, it lost it when he turned away, and he's back now. I wanna see if we can get it to lose focus. Still staying. It's actually still staying with him here. Pretty cool. So it actually knows that his face is turned and it's still staying with him. So pretty cool. All right, kind of go fast, like move around real quick. Don't trip though. Yep, it's tracking really nicely. Boom, and it's back. Look at that. All right, so that's kind of a quick real world test of the face tracking autofocus on the Canon EOS R. So now we're gonna go to 59:9:4. So movie quality, here we go. We're gonna click movie recording size and you've got all your options there. So rolling here 60p, slow motion on the Canon EOS R. We also have face tracking on the autofocus turned on and our camera's set to 1.2 aperture, so really shallow. Let's see how the autofocus tracking works. Autofocus tracking. Nice work, nice work. Very talented. Professional. We lost tracking there for a minute. Okay, it's back. So it's cool. He's actually putting his hands in front of his face, and the autofocus is staying with him. So it's pretty powerful autofocus. And this is one of the reasons why I bought this camera, was because the A7S II, the autofocus is just slow and really unusable for a lot of the stuff I do on the gimbal. So I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to shoot more with this, and we hope you guys enjoy this little first look at the Canon EOS R. Keep a lookout for the full review coming soon next week. And as always, please like and subscribe for new videos every Friday.